morning, children. Already in our last video we have started tissue, chapter 6 tissue we have started. So up to 10 number we have done. Then we will start today from 11 number. The matrix of a bone is in the form of thin concentric rings called dash. Bone cells called dash are present in fluid fields spaces called dash. These fluid filled spaces of the bone communicate with each other by network of fine canals called dash. Select the correct sequence of words to complete the above passage. So question number 11, option B is the correct answer. That is lamellae, osteocytes, lacunae and canaliculi. Okay, so question number 11, option B is the correct answer. Question number 12, the tissue shown in the figure is angular collenchyma is which wall thickening are present at the angles. Sclerenchyma in which uniform wall thickening are present. Xylem vessel that forms long channels for conduction of water and minerals. Phloem parenchyma with abundant food reserve. So question number 12, option C is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 13. Question number 13, match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. Column 1, phagocytosis. Number B, that is release heparin. Number C, allergic response. Column 2, column 1, some shapes are given. So question number 13, option D is the correct answer. A3, A is the allergic response. B1, that means phagocytosis it is, and C, release heparin, that is C2. So I think all of you can understand question number 13, D is the correct answer. Now question number 14. Which of the following statements is correct about the cell shown in the figure? P receives nerve impulse from Q and conveys it to other cells. P conducts impulse away from the cytone while S conducts impulse towards cytone. R is called node of Ranvier. D, all of these. So question number 14, option C is the correct answer. R is called node of Ranvier. Okay. Next question number 15. Question number 15, select the incorrect differences between collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So it is made up of dead cells. Cells are living. Lumen or cell cavity is wide. Lumen or cell cavity is usually narrow. It provides hardness to the region where it occurs. It keeps the organ soft. Wall thickening is not uniform. Wall thickening is uniform. P is simple and straight. P is simple and oblique and may be branched. So question number 5, option A is the correct answer. 1 and 3 only. Okay, incorrect statements. 1, it is made up of dead cells and living, and 3, it provides hardness and it keeps organs soft. These 2 are incorrect. So option A, 1 and 3 are incorrect. Next, question number 15 we have done. Next question number 16. So question number 16, direction refer to the given dichotomous key and answer the following question. The cells of tissues have walls go to 2. The cells of tissues have no walls go to 3. It is made of only one type of cell. It is made of more than one type of cell go to 5. The tissues lines the fallopian tubes are the tissues transfer nutrients as cells store air that is P. It is mainly a mechanical tissue U. The tissues conduct water T. The tissues conduct organic nutrients Q. Select the incorrect statement regarding tissues P, Q, R, S, T, U. So 16A, B, C, D, 4 options are given. C is the correct answer. S can be xylem, Q can be blood, and U can be parenchyma. This is option C. 16C is the correct answer. Now question number 17. Select the correct match of the tissues and its location in body. A. Apical meristem. R. Skin. Q. Epidermal covering of seeds. Lip. Option C is fruit pulp. T. Bone cavities. Bronchioles. R. And grit of guava. So question number 17 option D is the correct answer. R is bronchioles, U is grit of guava. Okay. Now question number 19. Observe the given figures of 3 different plant tissues. Select the correct statement. So question number 18 option A is the correct answer. That is A and B consists of living cells while C consists of dead cell. These two are living cells and C is dead cells. So question number 18 option A is the correct answer. Next, direction. Read the given passage in which some words are italicized and answer the following questions. The nervous tissue consists of special nerve cell called cytone. The cell is divided into axon and neuron. The cytone has thread-like structures extending from it called X. The axon ends into terminal branches that form a Y with other nerve cells. Now question number 19, select the correct statement regarding the italicized word. Cytone and axon should be interchanged. Neuron should be replaced by dendrites. The position of cytone and neuron should be interchanged. This is the correct answer. The position of the cytone and neuron should be interchanged. And the question number 20, the last question of this chapter. Select the option that correctly identifies X and Y. So X dendrites, Y neuron, B axon, Y cytone, dendrites synapse, synapse axon. So 20, question number 20 C is the correct answer, dendrites and synapse. So this chapter is finished. That kind of 20 questions we have practiced. So this kind of questions it will come in that particularly Olympiad examination. So must practice this. If you have any queries in the class, you may ask me. So in our next chapter, that is diversity in living organism, that we will start practicing some question answers. Question number 1. Select the pair that shows in the same relationship as shown between the animals in the box. Okay. So question number 1 option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Trypanosoma, it is Giardia. Okay. So question number 1 option B is the correct answer. Question number 2, which of the following statement is incorrect regarding regarding the organism X, Y and Z. Organism X is accumulate, whereas Y and Z question number 2 option C is the correct answer, that is all organism X and Y are radially symmetrical, whereas Z is symmetrical. How? X is radially and Y is bilaterally symmetrical. So question number 2C is the correct answer. Question number C, dash belongs to the plant group that are generally called amphibians of plant kingdom. Question number 3, option C is the correct answer, Funaria. Okay. Question number 3, option C Funaria belongs to the plant group that they are generally called amphibians of plant kingdom. Okay. Now we are coming to question number 4. Question number 4, select the incorrect statement out of the following. The reserve food material of fungi is glycogen. Okay. So question number 4 option D is the correct answer. The skeleton of hippocampus is made entirely of cartilage. Question number 4 option D is the correct answer. The skeleton of hippocampus is made entirely of cartilage. This is the correct answer of question number 4. Next, question number 5. Read the characteristics of 3 divisions of animal kingdom. Hemichordata, in Echinodermata and Arthropoda, and select the correct option. Power of regeneration, excretory organ is proboscis gland. Examples are Echinus, Holothuria. Development includes Tornaria larva, hemicoel present. Examples are Limulus lepisma. So question number 5 option A is the correct answer. Hemichordata 2 and 4. Echinodermata 1 and 3, and Arthropoda, that is 5 and 6. So 2 and 4, 1 and 3, 5 and 6, that is the correct answer, option A. Question number 5 option A is the correct answer. Okay. Now we are coming to question number 6. Dash is one of the bases for classification of plants. A, presence or absence of vascular tissue. B, production of seeds. Option C, both A and B, and D, none of these. So question number 6 option C is the correct answer, both A and B, presence or absence of vascular tissue and both production of seeds. These both two are correct option for question number 6. So option C, both A and B are the correct option. Now question number 7. Vibrio cholera should be of the shape 7. Question number D, this is the shape of this. Okay. So question number 7 option D is the correct answer. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Suppose you accidentally find an old preserved permanent slide without a label. In order to identify it, you place the slide under microscope and observe the following features. First one is unicellular. Number 2, well-defined nucleus. Number 3, one long flagellum lying longitudinally and the other short flagellum. What would would you identify it as and also name the kingdom it belongs to? Option A, diatom fungi. Option B, Trypanosoma monera. Option C, Paramecium animala. Option D, Euglena protista. Okay, so question number 8, option D is the correct answer. Okay, so this is the number 4 is the correct answer for question number 8. Question number 9, it is said, match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. So column 1, Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnospermy, Angiospermy, they are from column 1. Column 2, Salvinia, Cycas, Cladophora, Helanthus and Sphagnum. Okay, so question number 9, option D is the correct answer. That means Thallophyta, it is going to Cladophora. It is matched to Cladophora. Okay, question option B, Bryophyta, it is going to Sphagnum. This one. Option C, Pteridophyta, it is going to 1, that means Salvinia. Okay, option D, that is Gymnospermy, that is option D, it is going to number 2, Cycas. Okay, and option E, Angiospermy, that is going to Helanthus. Question number option number E, column E, it is going to column 2, 4. Okay, so option D, 9, option D is the correct answer for that. So option D is the correct answer for question number 9, A3, B5, C1, D2 and E4. So next, which of the following statement about spongia, leech, dolphin and penguin is correct? Penguin is homeothermic while the remaining 3 are poikilothermic. Leech is found in a fresh water while all others are marine. Spongia has special collar cells called choanocytes not found in remaining 3. All they are symmetrical. So question number 10, option C is the correct answer. Question number 10, option C is the correct answer. That is, Spongia has special collar cells called choanocytes not found in the remaining 3. So up to question number 10 we have discussed today of 7th chapter, living organism. So more 10 questions are there from this chapter and we will continue in our next video. These 10 questions answer we will discuss, and moreover our next chapter we will start in our next video. So up to that I think all of you can understand. If you cannot understand, if you do not get any answer of that particular question, you may ask in the class. So here for today I am closing the video. Okay, and one more thing, you must practice this kind of question. These kind of question answers are the kind of sample question answers. They are coming to Olympiad exam, science Olympiad exam. So these questions are very much important for that you can understand that what kind of the standard of that questions. So first I will suggest you must go through the chapter then you go through some MCQ, whatever book you have, Oswald or NCERT, first you go through that for your class exam. After that you go through the syllabus, same syllabus is there, standard somewhere it is changed. Okay, so you can understand that what kind of questions are coming. So these kind of questions you have to practice for Olympiad. So this video I am closing. Thank you.